Hey Dain, this is Mike. Hey, just want to say that I really love this pipe, man. It's really good. The ride is really excellent. I really noticed a huge difference in the increase in horsepower, especially in the mid-range. The sound is awesome. I mean, it sounds like a race car. So I just want to say thanks. I'll show you what the pipe looks like. The heat shield matched up perfectly. So this is the bike. I'll get down low so you could see how it matched up nice to the original heads. You know, I even like that cute little racing logo that you put on there. That's like really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up. Let me get this thing in neutral. Yeah, I just got home after a long day's work, man. Let's see. So, here you go. See what it looks like, what it sounds like. Hope the mic does good. Looks like it came with the bike, doesn't it? Matches up perfectly. I'm gonna rev it up a little bit. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank, man. It was worth every penny. Take care. I'll talk to you later.